Yes po.
Uy, shoutout daw.
Shoutout kuya! Shoutout kay Kuya Guard. The best guard in the whole world.
Pwede ka na pala ng vlogger.
Got here, Martha. It's a restaurant. We should eat here sometimes. There. Over there. We are here now at Croatia. Look at my surrounding. Sponsored by Isaac Gallardo. The shirt na hindi ko na binalik.
Hoy. Oy, Teddy.
Nasa 5th floor pa siya. So tagal. Ayan, yun tayo. So, kung nakikita nyo, hindi natin iinumin yan kasi hindi natin afford. Pero pwede nyo naman sponsor.
Saan naman ang dun?
Pwede ba kung sumakay dito? Carry me like a luggage.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Why not carry me like a luggage?
O saan ka na dun? I-roll ka na dun.
Tapos kunwari, cool ako kaya mag-shades ako. Welcome back to my vlog. My vlog. My vlog. So, susunduin na ako ng elevator. Sinusundo na elevator. Kung kayo may helicopter, tapos si Alice Go, meron siyang chopper. Ako meron ako elevator, nagsusundo sa akin. Oo, Alice Go, who you? Who you, Mayor? Who you?
Sana okay ka lang.
Ikaw, chopper lang, McLaren. Ew, that's so 90s.
Sana all.
Me, I have elevator. Elevator na pag nag-open, makakakita ka ng mga significant individuals. Oo, kaya mo yun. So, ayun.
Kaya talaga lang kung anong order mo.
Anong order ko?
Ano sa'yo?
Oh, talaga ba? Pang disco party pala tong sounds ng elevator. Welcome to our floor. Amayin mo ang simoy ng hotel kasi mahal yan. Mahal yan. Binabayaran mo yan kaya dapat you devour it like kailangan. Eh, nag-addict. Oh, sheesh! 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 Transitional. Sheesh! 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 Picture it!
Hindi pa.
Gab, you say hi.